Okay.
Look,
How much is it?
that's damn. Look, 2 something, about 230 for 4 wheels, boy. Yeah, 4. Cowboy, baby. Wanna be a cowboy?
Uh,
Tootie right, boy. Look at that. You alright?
you want a tractor?
You alright? Look, tricycle.
Imagine having those.
See, look, look at that then.
$7.99 for that one right there, and then
Got a horse and
yeah,
ponies. Little ponies. Little ponies.
listen. Oh, here's some shirts,
God
Johnny.
dang it, that $1 something for a damn root beer. Beer orange.
I'd
What the
rather
hell's
have
that kind?
cream soda. I'd rather have
I like that kind.
I'd rather have
Strawberry.
real beer.
I like to have grills and brownies. Hey, look at some pets there. I bet you they're high. How much are they? $17.
How much?
17. $17. So they pair of pants, man. 17. But well, 17, about $18 for a pair of pants. God, man, look at that.
And now $89.
About $90. Look at that, son.
They high in tractor.
130, son. Look at all that.
Them cowboy boots.
Yeah, look, that's $100. $100 for them. Yeah, look at them. It's nice. Fucking. Yeah, I go to Walmart to buy my boots.
That's where I bought mine at.
Yeah. Where I buy them at. Buy them here. Look at you. There you go. How you know? I'm not stupid here.
They are.
Dummies. Shit.